Today, we're exploring Yosemite National Park, and we want to share some of our top tips on how we keep our RV safe while we go to explore. Hopefully some of these tips will help you should you need to leave your RV to go explore. Let's get into it.
Number 1. Propane. We only use our propane while we are connected to shore power for the stove, since the refrigerator and water heater run on both propane and electric. So we just turn it off at the tank before we leave to go explore, just to take the risk of having a leak develop while we're gone that could turn into something serious. Number 2. Water. We haven't had this happen to us, but we've heard of others that have left their RV for the day to come back to a flooded RV due to a water leak. It's one thing to have a water leak and be there to catch it, but imagine being away all day and coming back to a leak. What a mess, and potentially lots of repair expense. We just turn off the water when we are going to be away to avoid any chance of that happening. Number 3. Pets. If you have pets that you leave in the RV while you're going to be away, be sure to check the forecast and see what the high and low temperatures are going to be while you're going to be gone. If it's going to be nice out, we will leave the windows open and one of the vent fans going. If it's going to be hot, we will leave the windows closed and set the AC thermostat to a comfortable level for Kixie. Number 4. RV security system. We will get into this in more detail in a future video as to what security systems we use on our RV. But when we leave the RV to explore, we use security cameras to monitor the exterior and interior of the RV, as well as monitor the indoor temperature. Just a little more peace of mind that we can check in at any time while we're away.
Well, that wraps it up for this video. We'll leave you with some of the footage from our visit to Yosemite National Park. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.